Water Heater City Singapore is your trusted one-stop provider for comprehensive water heater services. Our team is composed of PUB licensed plumbers and VCA certified professionals, ensuring that every installation is carried out with the high standards of safety, quality workmanship, and regulatory compliance. We offer a complete range of water heater services, including professional installation, seamless replacement, and expert repairs for all types of water heater that cover common issues. We service two main types of water heaters, such as storage water heater, ideal for larger households requiring high water volume, and instant water heaters, perfect for energy-efficient, on-demand heating solutions. We supply and install trusted water heater brands including Ariston, Rheem, Joven, Rubine, 7/7, Champs, Everhot, Mistral, Bennington, and Weissman, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect fit for your home. Why choose Water Heater City? Here's why we're the trusted one-stop provider that gives customers complete peace of mind. We follow pub regulations. When it comes to water service and sanitary works, only pub licensed plumbers are allowed to carry out regulated plumbing tasks in Singapore. Our team adheres to PUB guidelines to ensure your installation is safe, compliant, and high quality. We handle all pub submissions for you. Replacing or installing electric storage water heaters requires proper submission to PUB. We take care of this entire process, so you don't have to worry about compliance issues or legal penalties. We protect your warranty. Many brands require installation by licensed or authorized professionals to keep the warranty valid. Choosing us ensures your water heater is installed correctly, protecting your investment and peace of mind. We prioritize your safety. Poor installations can lead to leaks, fires, or even explosions. With our experienced team, we ensure every installation is done right, minimizing risk and keeping your home safe. Looking for a trusted professional to handle your water heater needs? Contact us now on WhatsApp at 824-10032 to book your water heater service today.